What's up guys, we are back with some crazy Samsung news. Something is coming on November 19 from Samsung which officially changed everything. Also there is going to be world first exclusive next level technology that Samsung has officially announced that could come in Galaxy S22 series. We are also going to talk about leaked CAD based renders for the future Samsung Galaxy A53 mid-ranger. And finally we have confirmed unpacked detail announcement that has been leaked. But before we're going to talk about all of this, there is something you really need to see. So guys, as we expected that the Galaxy S22 series will be coming with a Snapdragon and Exynos processor in different markets, but unlike from past, they are little different. According to the latest news that has been coming from Galaxy Club, who is a credible source, give us a detail that instead of 3 variants for the Galaxy S22 series, now we are actually going to see 4 different variants for the Galaxy S22 series, which is definitely going to be a strange thing. In addition to N, B and U models, we have a brand new E variant for the Galaxy S22 series. Traditionally, N variant are for Korean region and they are coming with Exynos processor inside. B is also Exynos for Europe and UK variant, where the U variant is for America and China with a Snapdragon processor inside. What is more interesting is going to be that this new E variant is going to be coming for Asian and African market, and according to the leak it's going to be coming with a Snapdragon processor, which is kind of a strange because traditionally we have the Exynos variant coming in the rest of the world and only China, America and Canada coming with a Snapdragon processors. Although the source is not 100% confirmed that whether we are going to see the Snapdragon processor in the A variant, but based on this info it seems like Samsung is making sure that we have equal amount of market for Snapdragon and Exynos variant. So guys, now we don't know the Snapdragon 898 model, will it going to be stronger or will the Exynos AMD processor is going to be even much stronger to compete the Snapdragon? Fingers are crossed right now. We have to wait and see when both of these official chips are going to be announced. But I wished that Samsung could went to the Exynos AMD chip globally everywhere, but because of the chip shortage and probably because of the yield issue, this was much harder to pull off, hence Samsung needs Qualcomm help. And you guys, moving forward, Samsung has introduced the world's first LPDDR5 SRAM for smartphones. This new LPDDR5 RAM will provide over 1.3 times faster processing speed while consuming nearly 20% less power than the previous LPDDR5 solution. And there is very high probability that we could see this on the upcoming Galaxy S22 series. So if that tech is going to be implemented inside the S22 series, then it definitely means that there is going to be less power consumption and the battery life will be increased. And you guys, moving forward, we have the Galaxy A53 5G renders, which shows small refinement on familiar design. And one of the important thing that is going to be missing on the upcoming mid-ranger is the headphone jack. Unfortunately, based on these renders images, we are not going to see a 3.5mm headphone jack inside the A53 5G, which is kind of a disappointment for many of the Samsung mid-range phones. The other key highlight of the device is that it's going to be coming with sides that are curved less, and the camera bump now flows into the back with a gentle curve, making for a smoother transition. The rest of the things are expected to be the same. We have the same 120Hz of AMOLED display, 64 megapixel of a main sensor. There is going to be an additional A53 color option, and that is going to be the orange color. Rest of the specs are identical. We don't know about the processor yet, but still it seems like there's going to be a new Exynos variant might coming inside the A53 devices. And you guys, moving on, we have the actual full unpacked detail for the announcement for both the Galaxy S22 series and the S21 FE. This is the same source that revealed the real life look of the S22 Ultra. So for the S22 series, the Unpacked will kick off on February 8, 2022, pre-orders on the same day, and it will be made available for purchase on February 18. While the Galaxy S21 FE on the other hand will get announced on January 4, and there will be no pre-order plans, and the device will be available for purchase on January 11, 2022. So guys, as much as I am excited for this, I am also very excited for the official announcement of the Samsung Exynos chip, which is going to be happening very soon. And according to this new Instagram post, on 19 November, Samsung is teasing to change everything with their new semiconductor advancement. A lot of people are speculating that this is for the Exynos AMD announcement, but Exynos say that this might not be the case. Either way, we are very close to the Samsung Exynos AMD announcement, and we will see what happens on November 19. So that's all the news for today. Some big improvement leaks for today's video. As always, if you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I will see you guys later. Peace out.